folks, I'm here with my 45th update. Let's get right to it. This is from Rock Hill, South Carolina, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As you can see, I finally got a haircut. Still got the beard though. Beard's like 25 inches. Nothing inside there. This is XCW Wrestling Battle Box 7. I've never heard of this spread, but I think I got it for like $1. I don't know. I bid on a whole bunch of this guy's stuff. This is the only one I won. But 16 men in, only one out. I don't know. I think it's like deathmatch kind of wrestling. There's a battle royal. It's from 2007. Approximate running time is 2 hours and 16 minutes, so I don't know. I'm gonna double check to see how much I paid for this. Hopefully it wasn't a lot. Here's the spine art. I don't know. I pretty much got every WWE DVD out. I'm still looking for Ring of Honor and Chikara, stuff like that. I bid on some more auctions, but I got outbid. You know, the reason I have so many of these update videos is I'm able to find stuff at a pretty reasonable price. I'm not going to spend retail. I'll probably spend half the price and get more, you know. But anyway, XCW, never heard of it. Got it for like a couple dollars. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have seen it. I don't know. If you notice, I'm wearing a 7 Dust shirt. Seen them 5 times. I love them. Well, yeah, I'm just going to end it there, and I'm really tired. Yep. Alright. Have a great day.